Mechanical advantage system. Used in rescue operations to amplify force, making it easier to lift, move, or stabilize heavy loads. These systems leverage simple, mechanical principles to reduce the physical effort required by rescuers, improving efficiency and safety during emergency situations. To determine the mechanical advantage of a simple system, count the ropes between the anchor and load, or count the number of pulley plus one. If the rope used is tied to the anchor, the mechanical advantage is even. If the rope used is tied to the load, the mechanical advantage is odd. The primary goal of a mechanical advantage system is to make lifting or moving heavy objects easier by distributing the load more effectively. Provide to secure grip on a rope under load. While allowing easy movement, not loaded makes it invaluable for ascending, descending, and creating mechanical advantage systems. Distributes the load more effectively, significantly reducing the amount of effort required by rescuers. The more complex the mechanical advantage system, the more the load is distributed, making it easier to handle even the heaviest of loads.